Let's draw a nice sketch from this canvas, and we're going to draw a land area here. You can see it's a little bit marsh and waterland, and probably a guy is going to be fishing here. You can see few dark and lighter depths of the land area for the drawing. For the convenience, we are going to draw a tree here. All right, so just putting the graphics little bit higher, and you can see the trunk is little bit wider at the bottom. Okay, lots of branches you can see here it has. Okay, let's put few leaves. Okay, so for this tree we're just going to draw a few horizontal lines to show the patterns of the leaves in the end. There's a different kinds of tree drawings, and the details going to be much wider and looking good. All right, so the tree is complete, almost putting long strokes of the few uh, bushes at the bottom of the tree, and putting some deep dark lines also. And you can see the reflections of that tree on the water, like other branches you can see like in a wave pattern, and you can see the other leaves and other details. Okay, and the water is like this one. Okay, here you can put the water in other colors. Okay, making some shades of the water. Now we can use another medium which is called the crayon, and you can put it like a for the few details of the other trees which you can see like a little bit graphical presentations in a far distance, just the appearance of those trees but not fully visible because it's a far away. Okay, you can use the blending stamp, or if you don't have it, don't worry, just use the fingertips to blend the whole colors, then put it like a horizontally like here, and it's going to show the nice environment. Okay, awesome. Now we are going to use a 6B pencil to show a guy sitting up here. This is the seating arrangement. Okay, and the legs on the ground. Okay, and the body, probably wearing a hat. And with the hand you can see a fishing tools. Just to show few things, these are the very few details just you need to do, just make the drawing a nicer one. Okay, for those trees. Just you can make the shades with the borders, just making the shades. All right. Okay, so hopefully the drawing looks a little bit better until now, and the drawing is almost to an end. So it's a very simple and easy graphics. Awesome. Mhm. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.